Good morning. We're here on the Euro USD again, looking at a strong breach of the highest probability short reversal zone on ITM Genesis Elite. 70+% probability. Whenever a breach occurs, we look for trades in the opposite direction because direction will be revised. So in this case, we'll go for a no touch with, as we've seen before in multiple sessions, a target below the currently breached reversal zone. So somewhere out here in the middle or below is where we'll be looking to place our target if it's available. We're looking at Euro USD with two target prices, 0.8, which is below, and 1.4, which is above. So we'll go for the 0.8. 5,000 full max exposure investment. Feel free to choose your own investment amount. Now this target here is just somewhere around this area, which is around the high strength boundary, just inside of the breached reversal zone. So we'll come back to you shortly with the results here. High probability trade. Okay, we're back with roughly 40 seconds remaining here. Look at that move. Excellent escalation there. Breached out of the short reversal zone, broke it. We now have ITM Genesis Elite showing us a revised picture with bullish momentum. That was going to happen. Whenever a breach happens, Genesis Elite will revise towards the upside if it's a long breach and towards the downside if it's a short breach. This trade has gone into the money almost immediately off the bat, very, very quickly. We're now looking at a stall signal up there showing us a down arrow on a bullish candle, which because of that wick could probably indicate movement towards the reversal zone as we're now seeing, and we're looking at expiry within the next second or so. But this is very interesting because we now possibly have grounds for another trade which may result in a breach. If you look at the momentum towards the long reversal zone, whenever you see Genesis Elite showing you a reversal zone in a position where price is just catapulting towards it very, very fast, it is a preemptive moment. What you're looking at is potentially a breach again of this long reversal zone. So we're currently experiencing very volatile sideways momentum here. If this price continues to go towards the reversal zone, we're just waiting for expiry here, in this fashion where it's going very, very fast towards the reversal zone, that is grounds for another breach happening. But we will only take any action when there's a breach that has been confirmed by ITM Smart Money as well as bears being in control in this particular situation. So let's have a look at the chart. We haven't seen a breach yet, so this is not grounds for placing a potential trade yet, not even in the long direction. So we're going to wait this out and see what happens here. Because that move down from the low strength to the boundary is very fast, we may need to wait here. Okay, we're back very soon. Waiting has indeed paid off. We have a very strong breach giving us grounds for yet another no-touch trade, with the no-touch target being above the currently breached reversal zone. So there's two on offer here, the 04 and 13. Very strong breach there. ITM Smart Money is also confirming that bears are in control. Very large bars there compared to the bullish bars. And we're now looking at a strong breach where the target is somewhere in the middle of the high strength and highest strength boundaries. That is perfect. We're going to take this trade with full max exposure again. Feel free to choose your own investment amounts, of course, as per your risk management plan. And we're just going to get into this trade here and wait for expiry. So we're in now. We'll come back to you shortly. All right, back again with roughly 36 seconds remaining on this yet another no-touch trade here. Beautiful execution. As you saw, we've had now two breaches, one to start the session with and another while the session was going on. As you can see, again, Genesis Elite has revised its outlook to bearish, since a breach almost always indicates that chances of direction change are imminent. So Genesis Elite will always revise the outlook to the opposite outlook almost immediately, allowing us to take advantage of moves in that direction. Starting out with the no-touch trade, we took a target that was inside the high strength and highest strength boundaries of the breached reversal zone, which is a near perfect setup for trading no-touch. We've now expired in the money again on this trade. The premise behind the trade is very simple. If a breach of a high probability event location like the reversal zone happens, you are almost guaranteed that direction will change. As you can see, we've had two trades so far within this session where direction has changed very, very aggressively. The no-touch trade comes into the picture when you take a position such that you're basically bidding on the fact that that target inside the old reversal zone, or above the old reversal zone in this case, will not be touched. And that's a very high probability event. And trading is all about executing high probability opportunities. And we took it for the second time within this same session. We've now expired in the money for a $3,600 net profit on this trade and another $3,600 net profit on the previous trade, making the total return for the net return for today being at $7,200. Thank you very much.